Hi, so in this video we're going to be solving word problems using a system of equations. We're going to be solving equations of the system of equation, right? So I have the first one. It says the difference of two numbers is 4. Their sum is 22. What are two numbers, right? So the first thing is that we're going to identify the variable. So let's say x is the first number, or let's say the higher number, and y is the lower number. So I have the difference of the two numbers is 4. So that means that x minus 4 minus y equals 4, right? That's the difference. So x minus 4, or x minus y equals 4, because that's the difference. Now the sum is 22, so that means that x plus y equals 22. Okay? So the sum is 22. So now I have that the y has opposite coefficients, so I'm just going to add those two equations. So I have 2x, this cancel out, equals 26. I'm going to divide by 2, so x equals 13. Right? Now I'm going to substitute on this equation, right? Or this one. So 13 plus y equals 22 minus 13. So y equals 9. So the numbers that have a difference of 4 and a sum of 22 are 9 and 13. So this one is saying that traveling with a current, a certain boat went 24 kilometers, right? And it's traveling with the current, right? Against the same current, it only went 4 kilometers. What is the speed of the current? How fast will the boat go if there were no current, right? So let's start again by identifying the variable. So x, let's call it x. Let's call it the speed of the boat. And y, let's call it the speed of the current. Right? So when the boat is traveling with the current, the speed of the boat is going to squeeze whatever is that current, right? So in that case, x plus y equals 24, right? Kilometers per hour. Against the current, again, if with the current you're going to add it, against the current you're going to subtract. So x minus y equals 4, right? And I'm just going to solve. Again, I already have that y has opposite coefficient, so I just can cancel out. So 2x equals 28. I'm going to divide by 2. So x equals 14 kilometers per hour. So 14 plus y equals 24. So I'm substituting on this one. Minus 14. So y equals 10 kilometers per hour. So that means that the boat travels 14 kilometers per hour and the current 10 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this one says the country fair is a popular field trip destination. This year, the senior class at high school A and the senior class at high school B both planned trip there. The senior class at high school I rented 8 vans. That mark that information right there. So 8 vans, 3 buses with 196 students. High school B filled 8 vans, 8 vans, 6 buses, 360 students. This information right here is also important. Each van and each bus carries exactly the same number of students. How many students can a van carry, and how many students can a bus carry. So let's name the variable. So B, we're gonna call the numbers of students, number of students in each van, in each bus, and V, the number of students in each van. Right? So on high school A, I have the AB plus 3B equals 196. And in high school B, I have the AB plus, AB, sorry, B plus 9B equals 316 students, right? So, so now that I have those two are the same, so I just need to subtract the equations, right? So I just need to subtract the equations. So this cancel out. I have negative 6B equals negative 120, and I'm just going to divide by negative 6. So B equals 20 students, right? So each bus carry 20 students. Now I'm going to have find the van. So AB plus 3 times 20 equals 196. So AB plus 60 equals 196. 60. AB equals 136. And that divided by 8 is 17. So each bus carry 20 students, and each van 17 students. This was a second school is selling tickets to a spring musical. On the first day of tickets sales, the school sold 4 tickets. Again, let's start marking that information. And 7 student ticket for a total of $75. The school took 110 on the second day by selling 4 adult tickets and 14 student ticket. Find the prices of each of an adult ticket and the price of a student ticket. So again, start by marking or defining our variable. So A is the adult tickets, or the price of the adult ticket. Right there. So the price of ticket, and as the student ticket, the price of student tickets. Okay, so on the first day they sold 4 adult tickets plus 7 student tickets. That they have $75, right? And then the second one, they sold 4 adult tickets plus 14 student ticket equals 110. I'm going to ask you to pause the video so you can solve that exercise, right? When you come back, we're going to solve it. I'm going to solve it with you so you can see if you have the same. Now, again, I have that those two variables are the same, so I just need to subtract those equations. Right, this is going to cancel out, and I have negative 7s equals negative 35, and I'm going to divide by negative 7. So s equals $5. So each student ticket costs $5. Now I'm going to find the other. So 4a plus 7 times 5 equals 75. So 4a plus 35 minus 35. So 4a equals 40, and I'm going to divide by 4. So each ticket is $10, and each student ticket is $5. And that's it for this lesson. May the force be with you.